Boss Gerald. So-test namin yung unit niya. ENC 854. Kanino?
Kay Mark.
Mark? Ayun o. Baka easy map. Sige. Okay. So, again, shoutout kay Boss Gerald. So, full metal to guys. ENC 854. TTI. Shorty. Around 9 inches yung BCM handguard niya. Full metal din to guys ha. Naka BCM flash hider. With complete markings ng BCM. Sights. May kasama ng sights. Front and rear sight. Charging handle. Selector. Bolt release. Mag release. Trigger. Trigger guard. And swivel is metal. Pati yung buffer tube. Then yung stock niya is BCM polymer. Okay, may kasama tong plate guys. Ito. Battery. LiPo ba? Kasama. So may kasama na rin LiPo battery at saka charger. And then may kasama ng magazine plate. Base plate. Magazine is 120 rounds. Ito BCM polymer grip. Sige, test natin. For 20 FPS auto. Okay na. For details, PM lang kayo sa page namin, Mavs Hobby PH.